Hello, Facebook fam and Instagram. I am so excited today. I received Happy Mail. For most of you that know me really well, you know I've been in a little bit of a slump. I've been worried about my older sister, but I know she's being well taken care of. So it's now time for me to take care of myself. And that I normally do. So anyway, you guys know that I love a good Christopher Nejman handbag. Well, I received Happy Mail today. This is Chris's new crossbody wallet. So I'm so excited. I did receive my crossbody wallet and my bill in the mail. So let's take a look at Chris's crossbody wallet. And that's ChristopherNejmanBags.com. And these are all made in the United States by one person, and that is Christopher Nejman. So this is the box for the wallet. I'm so excited. Oh, okay, my first look at the wallet. So for the crossbody wallet, let's take a look. Chris knows that I love red, and it is red. So let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, so we have a place for cash, we have a place for credit cards, and our cell phone. He also added a zipper slot on the back for change, and he's got two different grommets so that we can actually cross-body the wallet, or you could use the wristlet, and he included the crossbody strap. So let me take my cell phone. It's over here beside me. This is the cell phone. So we're going to put the cell phone into Chris's case and see how well it fits, even with my hook on there. There we go. Let's close the wallet. Snaps. ChristopherNejmanBags.com. Talk to you soon. Bye.